Hey guys, it's Austin here with OutJeeping, and in today's quick video, we're going to be going over some custom floor liners by Lasfit. Now today, I'm going to be installing it on my 2016 Ram 1500, but it's pretty much going to be similar to any vehicle that you have because these are all custom made to whatever vehicle you have, basically. So, let's get started. Alright, so taking a look at these floor liners, these are made by Lasfit once again, and they're known for making LED lights, but just recently they actually came out with a new product line of floor liners right here, and right off the bat I can tell these are actually high quality. I actually think these might even be better than WeatherTech. So some of the features I noticed, they're a little bit thicker rubber because I've actually installed some WeatherTech ones and they're actually just pretty thin. So with the WeatherTech liners, you pay over $200 for the front and rear seating liners, and it just doesn't seem like, you know, paying $200 is worth what it is for thin rubber. But right here, these are pretty much half the cost. You can get these guys for basically my truck for $110, and there's some Black Friday coupons going on for 10% off. So these are pretty much a steal in my opinion. Another thing I noticed right off the bat is that these Lasfit logos on here, they're not just a stick-on logo or they're not just a painted on one. These are actually molded white rubber in here, so you won't have to worry about this getting scuffed up or faded and having it look like crap over time. So these should keep their appearance. But basically to install these are pretty much straightforward. They got some anchors right here that go into the factory location so they won't move around at all. Another thing that Lasfit recommends is that since they do come folded up in a box, just leave it out in the sun for a little bit, and if there's any creases, it should come out. I've done that for a little bit, and there used to be a crease for this rear one that was pretty bad, but that came right out as well. So if you own a Jeep or you own a truck, I mean, obviously the floors are going to get dirty pretty fast, especially if you have carpet. I just bought my truck just over a month ago and there's already, you know, stuff in the carpet. So before I install these, I'm going to vacuum that all out, and installing these should be pretty much a breeze. Alright, so looking here on the driver's side, as I said earlier, this is just over a month and look how dirty it gets. So I'm going to vacuum this up, remove the old floor liners, and we're going to install the new ones. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got all these floor liners installed, and let me say, they look pretty sharp. So far everything seems to fit pretty nicely with the shape of the carpet on the truck. I actually do like the aesthetics of this over the competitor, which is WeatherTech. They seem to give more of a rigid design, more of an aggressive look to it, and just a little bit more modern. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's quick video. Hopefully you guys like these. I'm going to post a link in the description below on where you can find them. Right now they got a Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale going on, so you can get them for pretty much 50% of what you're going to pay for the competitor, which is WeatherTech. These are definitely going to be my go-to now over WeatherTech. I also want to announce that I'm having a sale going on now through Cyber Monday for OutJeeping Decals. If you use the coupon code OutJeeping2020, you get 20% off your order on the Etsy store. I'll post a link in the description below and where you can find that as well. But coming up soon, I got some more Jeep videos coming up on the Cherokee. I got some suspension to work on that, so make sure you keep a lookout for that because the videos will be coming here shortly. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the OutJeeping YouTube channel, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, post them below and I'll be happy to answer. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.